Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm just going to give you guys a quick walkthrough of how to use the SkipTheDishes Courier app. This is the app for drivers, not for ordering food. It's going to be pretty fast. It's just to look at which shifts are available, how to add shifts, how to remove them, to check different regions, to basically add zones or regions that you can work, and how to sign in, and how to check your pay, check customer feedback, and things like that. And also, if you do find the video helpful, I'd really appreciate if you like and subscribe for more videos in the future. That would really help support the channel. And if you haven't already signed up for Skip, I'll also leave a referral link down below, so you guys can feel free to check it out, see if there's any promotion. Depending on the time and the need for drivers, Skip will often give like a bonus. Sometimes they'll give 25 bucks to each of us after you've completed your first 25 deliveries. Right now, I believe they're offering 50 bucks each, so that's a pretty nice win-win, right? So yeah, feel free to check out the referral link, and if you guys are ready for the video, let's get into it. All right, so the app is called Courier. And right now, from 8 to 11, it's showing that I have a shift. It's 10:26 p.m. right now, but I actually decided to end the shift early and go home because I wasn't getting very much orders. But if I wanted, I could actually hit start and try to log in. Now, it does say that I gotta turn Wi-Fi off, but actually, anyways, I don't want to go and work, so I'm just gonna say there's not enough orders and end the shift. All right, so that's the first page. You can also click on the top button here where it says offline, and you can toggle the switch to online. Right, but I'm gonna end shift. And at the bottom, if you see that the second tab, it's got like a little calendar. So these are my shifts right here. Tuesday 7th, 8 to 11 p.m. The greater Vancouver area, East. So East, that's basically it's East Vancouver, or basically Burnaby. It's kind of like East Vancouver / Burnaby. You can head over to open shifts, and you can see which shifts are available. It's pretty user-friendly, actually. All you gotta do is, press the little plus sign, or just the whole entire banner, really, and then just add shift if you want to. But I'm not gonna do that, so I'm gonna hit the X on the top left. That's how you add shifts. Pretty easy. And then you can, on the top, on the third tab, you can click availability. And this is basically telling the app when you want to work, when you're available. And each week, they'll send you some shifts based on your availability. So I've got 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and 5 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. because those are the peak hours. That's pretty much lunch and dinner. And if you click on the gear icon on the top right, you can actually update your delivery zones. So as you can see right now, I have Burnaby, Richmond, and White Rock selected. I can also select Coquitlam. So let's do that. Are you sure you want to add this zone to your account? Yes, add zone. And then I can add Surrey and Langley as well. As you can see, there's a little white outline. Right now, Maple Ridge is not available to me, but if I do keep checking back on the app, at some point Maple Ridge will be available, and I'd like to give it a try because I heard that Maple Ridge could be pretty good. So I'm gonna hit Save Settings at the bottom. There you go. And then the other tab is Scheduling Preferences. So you can actually choose whether you want to work 20 hours, 16 hours, 4 hours a week, or over 20. I think 20 hours is pretty good. And I get to select which delivery zone I'd like to work. So I put Burnaby, but I'm going to change it to Coquitlam. So all I do is just click on Coquitlam to select, and click on Burnaby to deselect, and then hit Save Settings. So the next time they schedule shifts, I believe it's like Monday or Tuesday, I can't remember exactly, but once a week, they'll basically send out shifts. But don't worry, if you don't like them, you can always go to your My Shifts. You can remove them by just hitting the little trash can. And then you can always go to Open Shifts and then just add different shifts. From maybe you want to work in White Rock or Richmond or, East Vancouver / Burnaby. You can always change it. It's a very, very flexible app. All right, so moving on. The third tab at the bottom is revenue. So today I worked a shift, and as you can see, I made $90.95. I had 13 orders. So the most recent orders were at the bottom. My first one was McDonald's, and then Jambo Grill, Subway. So I had a lot of $6 orders today, which isn't too great, to be honest with you. I worked about 5.5 to almost 6 hours. So if you work out the math, not too great. So yeah, 5.5, about 1636. I calculated that earlier. You got to subtract gas as well, and then of course you're going to pay taxes on your income, right? So today wasn't too great of a day, but you know, money's money. And then the fourth tab, you can see how many deliveries you've made, how many kilometers you've traveled. You can look at different promotions that are available. This is customer feedback, so I got some positive reviews here. Friendly, very polite, above and beyond. Alright guys, so that's pretty much the video. If you guys found it helpful, please do like and subscribe for more videos. Feel free to share it with friends who might find it helpful as well. And again, there's a referral link, so check it out to see if there's any promos at the time. Sometimes there's not, but it doesn't hurt to try. Alright guys, happy driving, safe driving, and peace out.